Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Mazda BT50 stock number 665. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,